Hey, what's up guys? So today what we're going to do is we're going to take care of those speakers that we removed. We're going to change them over from the brackets. Let's see. We got these guys right here. And we're going to switch them out. We're going to keep our brackets and we're going to install the new 3-inch, 3.5-inch Memphis speakers. We're going to fit them right here, and hopefully it's going to sound a whole lot better than it did in 1989, but at the minimum it's going to at least sound as good, but we know it's going to sound better. So let's get it cracking. Okay, we're going to take these guys. Oh, there goes my, see, the magnet holder, speaker holder works. Taking these guys out, putting the new Memphis in there. Okay, I got these guys in right here. Test them out real quick. Right there in the brackets, they fit perfect. So I had this guy in there, and I guess it was arcing or grounding out, shorting out right there. So what I'm gonna do real quick is throw some tape around it and call it a day. I don't got no heat shrink or anything like that, and I can put some new space, but those are original, so I'd rather leave those just because, you know, so it's just more clean. And I'll just tape around it real quick. So yeah, I can go ahead and put some plastic spade connectors and all that, and make it all perfect, but this is gonna work just fine. It's not gonna vibrate. I'm not doing no crazy system or anything like that. Just nice, clear, crisp sound, and yeah, that should work. I'll get that in, get that one in, get all this put back together, get the other side, and see how it sounds. This right here, this is what it comes with. It comes with those guys. Perfect. See, that would have been perfect, but it's all good. I know what I'm doing, and it'll be nice if the guy, maybe in 100 years, somebody wants to put a stock speaker, and I'll keep them there. So, oh, just a quick side bonus, whatever you want to call it, is I got this guy, that switch that I was talking about last time. And I'm thinking it's the cruise control. If it's, I don't know if it even works, but there's a button right there too. So maybe we'll see. Hopefully that'll be pretty cool. All right, I looked at the diagram, and so I figured out which one's negative, positive, because I was just curious. I couldn't really take a guess. The other one I took a guess. I did pink negative and gray positive, and the diagram showed me how wrong I was. So my OCD is gonna make me just take all that apart and put it back together the right way. So, and I even had those just in case, but that'll change, you know, the color of the wires. So since we don't want to have the same problem as last time, we'll just tape them up before we put them in, nice and clean and good, and that way we don't got to worry about touching metal or having to tape around while it's connected. Little transparency, we had to take the speakers back. One of them sounded perfect. It was screaming, jumping. And the other one, when you hired it, it just all turned into static. So I made all the speakers go haywire. I even rearranged them, put this one here, that one there, this one here. And same thing. So if the speaker's bad, the coil something. So, and that sucks because they really sounded good. So what I'm gonna have to do is order. I already returned it. I dropped it off at the at the UPS store, ready to try to get a refund, and then I'll just order it again and check it, and hopefully it'll be good. So the wait continues. Yep, they both work. The brand new ones. Mm-hmm. Oh, come on. Oh, that's stuck. Okay, let's see. One-handed. I gotta solve this problem. One-handed. Okay, we got this guy. Before we put it back in, let's get this thing cleaned up. Oh man, this thing's got some serious. It's got some serious grime in there, but it's all good. We got that cover. I'm just getting all the stuff you can't really get to, which I guess I don't really have to because it's never gonna be seen, but maybe we don't want the next person to say, oh, this guy was dirty. Or maybe it's just OCD, I don't know. Oops. But yeah, I see that's good. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. We got everything done. We got the speakers upgraded. We got the dash all put back inside. We got, you know, the cover. We got the LED lights brighter than the sun. And so everything's all good. That's all done. I don't know what we're gonna do next. Maybe we'll work on the motorcycle again that's out there. Please don't come steal it. I got the Suburban out there. I don't know. We'll find something to work on. Maybe we'll work on that guy. Maybe we'll find something else. Who knows? But until next time, see you.